Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Wrike time tracking in year 2025. So this is a powerful project management tool that allows the team to collaborate efficiently. So it's a time tracking feature that helps monitor productivity and then track billable hours and of course improve the project planning. So in this tutorial, we'll cover how to use this website step by step. So here guys, you can start either a free trial here. So what is this time tracking in this website? So the Wrike's time tracking features allow the users to log the amount of time spent on their tasks, which helps the team and managers measures the work progress, allocate resources effectively, and generate reports for payroll or client billing. So of course, the benefits of using this one, they have here their accurate work monitoring, wherein it keeps track of how long tasks take to complete. We also have here the better project estimation. It helps improve planning for future projects. The invoicing and payroll management ensures accurate billing for the clients or payroll calculations for the employees. So they also have here the improved productivity, wherein it helps identify bottlenecks and optimize workflow. So here guys, before using the time tracking, make sure it is enabled in your Wrike workspace. So checking time tracking the settings, you can go to your Wrike workspace and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. And right after that one, you just need to navigate to the account management and look for the settings. Here, you can go for the time tracking option and ensure it is enabled. And note guys, if you don't see this option, you may need admin permissions to enable it. So on assigning permissions for the time tracking, you just need to go to account settings and look for the user management, select a team member and click edit permissions. Here, you can enable the time tracking permission to allow them to log hours. So on logging time in Wrike, you need to do here is to open a task in Wrike where you want to log time, and then click on time log tab. You'll be able to see there on the dashboard, and then click add time entry. Here you can enter the date, duration, and optional notes, and then right after that one you just need to save it. And you can also use the built-in timer guys. So here you can work on your task while the timer runs in the background, and then once finished you can click the stop timer here. So on logging time for the mobile app tab. So here you can open the right mobile app and then navigate to the task where you want to log time. Then you can tap on the time lag and then enter your time manually or start the timer. So you can also view the time entries for a project guys. You just need to go to the project dashboard and you'll be able to see there the time tracking, and then of course select the desired date range, and then you can also view all log time entries by your team members. So you can also generate the time tracking reports. You just need to create new report and then choose the time tracking report and filter the date, range, user or project. And that's it. You can click generate report there. So you can also integrate the time tracking app with the Wrike guys. You just need to go to the Wrike integrations and then you can search for the time tracking app you want to connect here. So here guys, the best practices for time tracking in the Wrike is log time daily, so to ensure accuracy and avoid missing entries, and then enable reminders to log time at the end of the workday, and you can also review weekly reports to identify areas for productivity improvement. And that's everything you need to know about this website, the time tracking in 2025. So with these features, you can accurately track your work hours. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech guides.